this very beautiful pattern for your summer project. It is very easy. Crochet multiple of 4s until desired length. This is your foundation. This is all chain. And then you go chain 3 for the first double crochet in the corner, and then chain 3 for the 3 space, and then you have to go skip 2 in the bottom, and then you go double crochet. So you go 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 chain in this corner, and then you chain 3, and then you skip 3, 1 2 3, and then in the 4th chain you have to double crochet. Then 1 2 3, and then you skip 3, 1 2 3, and then double crochet in the 4th chain. One, two, three. And then you double crochet. So it's gonna be like this one. And then you go chain 3 for the foundation. 1 2 3, that's the corner. And then you're gonna go chain for this one to go down. 1 2 3, and then you single crochet and the 3rd chain space, and then you chain 1 2 3, 3 chain, and then double crochet in the next double crochet. It's gonna be like that one, and then you repeat 1 2 3, single stitch in the 3 chain space, and then 1 2 3, and then double crochet in the double crochet, then 1 2 3, and then single crochet, and then 1 2 3, and double crochet, and we'll repeat this one. Then we are on the end 3, and then we single crochet, and then 1 2 3, and we double crochet on the top of the 3rd chain. And then from 3, so 3 chain 3, and then plus 3 on the top, 1 2 3, that's mixed chain, and then double crochet in this top of double crochet, then chain 3, and then double crochet. It's gonna be like that one. Then chain 3 2 3, and then double crochet. and then double crochet in the third chain. See, 1 2 3, so you double crochet in this one. It's gonna be like that. Okay, we'll go chain 3, 1 2 3 for the post, and we go chain 2 3, and then single crochet in this 3 chain space, and then 1 2 3, and double crochet in the next double crochet, then 1 2 3, and then single crochet, and 1 2 3, and then double crochet, then 3, then chain 3, 1 2 3, you're in the corner, and then you have to chain 3, and then to pull towards you, and then you go double crochet in this first double crochet, then chain 3, and then double crochet, then chain 3, and then double crochet, and then double crochet in the third chain, 1 2 3, that's about down here, we're gonna go double crochet. It's gonna be like that. Okay, we'll do it. Chain 3 for the post, 2 3, another chain 3, 1 2 3, and then single crochet, and then chain 3 2 3, and then another double crochet, and then chain 3, and then in the third chain you have to double crochet, 1 2 3, and then you chain 3, 1 2 3, and then another 3 chain, 1 2 3, and then double crochet, and then double crochet in the third chain. 1 2 3. It should be this one. Okay, there you go. There is the pattern.